Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Robin. The habit of mindfulness meditation is an exercise for disciplining the mind and bringing calmness and serenity. There's no wrong way to start the habit, and there are many benefits. If you have headphones and are in a safe place, it can greatly improve the experience. Now, sit upright and relaxed. Rest your hands on your lap. Let your eyelids relax and droop to the point of nearly being closed. Or watch the video if you choose. Feel the breath at the tip of your nose as you breathe in and out. Don't work at it, just be aware of the feeling. There's no need to count your breaths, just feel. This is what you will bring your attention back to throughout the meditation. Today, we're talking about integrity as related to recovery. How is your integrity at this moment? Integrity is the quality or state of being complete or undivided. It is soundness. The idea of recovery is to get back to a natural, sound state of being. Whatever one is recovering from, the goal is a state of living comfortably with ourselves, despite the events life puts in our path or where we find ourselves when we've decided to work our way back to a comfortable place in our existence. As hard as it may be to understand, part of becoming comfortable is to face our uncomfortableness. Not only face it, but sit with it, and to learn from it. Many overeaters, alcoholics, addicts of all kinds are trying to attain a sense of wholeness or completeness through behaviors with unsustainable, short-term results. They are avoiding the hard work of learning long-term, sustainable methods because they fear being uncomfortable, even in the short term. One of the largest stumbling blocks for those who do not recover is their failure to be vulnerable. Some people fear appearing weak and may associate vulnerability with weakness. In fact, vulnerability and openness to allowing others to help makes us stronger and increases our integrity and our chances of success. When we share our truths with those who can help us in a safe environment, no matter how dark the truth is, we feel lighter and we build trust at the same time. Showing our vulnerability helps make us whole and complete and more sound in our thinking and our behaviors. The more you learn to speak your truth unfiltered in a safe environment, the more you'll get from the recovery process. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, subscribe, share, and meditate. You can help support this effort through my Patreon page, Sitting with Nature. Thank you.